Hello everybody, I'm doing my Ipsy subscription opening. This is first time I'm getting makeup and I'm super excited to show you. So let's take a look and see what we got. So you always get these cute bags in here and it tells you your card, and this one is August is called Hotel Paradise, Warm Breeze, Lush Landscapes, Major Glow. This month, check into a vacay state of mind. Matching mani-pedis, unwind, and go ahead and order room service. So it tells you what you get. And I wanted to start wearing more makeup. It's time to indulge. So you get this cute bag. So the first thing I got was Jasmine Beauty Lush Volumizing Mascara. And I've already opened it and used some of it. So it works pretty good. So there's that. Then we got Glam Glow Thirsty Mud 24-hour hydrating treatment from face mask. So there we go. Can't wait to try that. And then we got avocado superfood serum. So it says let's see here. Get flawlessly hydrated and radiant skin with a foundation that goes on your face like serum. Vitamins nourish your skin, and full coverage formula covers all imperfections. So see, that's what that looks like. So I'm excited to try that. You know, I think I read the wrong one. So it is plump up your parched skin with vitamin-rich, silky serum packet with fatty acids with avocado oil from hydrating and acid from most succulent and juicy skin ever. Apply moisturizer after toning. So there's that. And then I got leave-in conditioner for your hair. It's a 2-in-1 blend. So that will be nice. California Dreamin'. It has the directions right there if you can read it. And then we have Super Serum Foundation. So I can't wait to try that. And then you get this cute bag with the leaf on it. So I'm so glad. I had to put it on hold for the month of September. So I probably won't get another one until October. Because I don't know where I'm going to be settled at. But anyway, so there it is. That is my Ipsy, my month of August. Alright everyone, thank you for stopping by and watching my videos. And I want to thank you all for taking the time out of your day to watch. And I will see you all in my next video. Bye for now.